The Hamburglar, does he have any game? Can he be in the knockout competition? Because that's what we have next with the boys now. And here are the 6 participants. Sean Stewart and Elmarco Jackson are also going to be in the slam dunk contest later. Aaron Bradshaw going to Kentucky. Jacoby Walter will also be in the 3-point shootout. Then Kwame Evans and Justin Edwards, the #1 player.
All right, Corey, I have Aaron Bradshaw.
I like it. And again, the one thing about Aaron Bradshaw that'd be perfect is he gets to interview with Brooke if he wins.
Well, 2 things. He's been shooting it really well in practice and also in the scrimmage. But when he misses, he's got such long strides. He can get there quickly.
Brooke is letting me know she's going with.
Who you got, Brooke?
Bradshaw. I don't know. I just felt Aaron Bradshaw. Like, I just felt those vibes.
Here we go.
Edwards, my bad. Edwards.
Oh, you got Edwards.
I looked at 3, yeah.
Now watch out. See, Bradshaw
like
gets it quick.
So I'm telling you now, I'm going with Elmarco Jackson or Jacoby Walter simply because those 2 guys have been super competitive all week. They do not want to lose.
Corey, you can't change your pick just like that.
No. I didn't take one.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
PB took
you
Aaron.
wanted to, okay.
I was saying what Brooke said.
Gotcha. You picked 2, though. You can't pick 2.
Yeah, I do have 2. I haven't decided.
That sounds like something Corey would do.
Corey's the only one who gets 2.
He picked a third of the field.
Well, don't I get 2 for picking the winner of the girls?
Maybe.
Thank you, Brooke.
Maybe.
See?
We'll
Watch this jump shot coming up by Aaron Bradshaw. 7-footer going to Kentucky. Watch the stroke.
And
Nice
watch my guy, Jacoby Walter, put him out. And watch one of my guys, Jacoby Walter, put him up out of here.
He didn't get there fast enough.
Corey, were you knockout champ at Virginia camp?
I was absolutely knockout champ, and the reason why,
took
Brooke,
pride.
is because I could get there quickly, as PB said, but I could dunk earlier than most guys could. So you could always see if you dunk, you could hold the ball above the rim and knock the person's ball out. These are knockout rules that are not actually cheating.
That's that Virginia academic mind going to work for you.
So Aaron Bradshaw and Kwame Evans have been knocked out. We are down to 4 here.
Justin's gone. Elmarco's gone. My guy Jacoby's still in the mix.
Walter and Stewart. Stewart headed to Duke, Walter to Baylor. And off they go.
It's the point you can't miss, especially long.
Walter for the win. There it is. Jacoby Walter, knockout champion.
All right, Ted.
Now he's going to Baylor, and last year's 3-point winner, Keontae George, was at Baylor.
Corey, I'll give you credit.
Do I get it?
I'll give you credit.
Thank
Once
you very
again,
much. Okay.
you called Riley Nelson. I'll give you credit for Jacoby Walter.
Okay, and when you get to this stage of knockout, any misses are dangerous because the person behind you has the basketball and they're shooting. As soon as you let it go, if it comes off, they got you out of there.
It's such a rhythm game, right? You make 1, you make 2, now you think you're going to make 3, 4, 5.
Nice warm-up for the 3-point shootout to come for Jacoby Walter. Already a trophy in his back pocket, and he's with Brooke.
Jacoby showing out for your home state out there. How good does this feel to get one knockout champion?
Well, it feels pretty good. We was talking smack before the game, and just to get it over with and get the win, it feels good.
Sounds like you got that response well to smack talking, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we'll see what you can do in the 3-point.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming sports and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.